Did you know that your daily habits might be the very thing standing between you and your financial dreams? In today's video, we will uncover the 8 money habits that could be keeping you from building wealth and how to turn them around for a more prosperous future. Welcome back to our channel, dedicated viewers. We all dream of achieving financial freedom, but sometimes our own actions can be our biggest roadblocks. If you feel like you're stuck in a financial rut, it might be time to examine your money habits. Stick around as we delve into the 8 money habits that might be keeping you poor and discover actionable steps to break free from them. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Habit 1. Paying yourself last. In the journey towards financial freedom, paying yourself first is crucial. This means before you pay bills or splurge on luxuries, you set aside money for savings and investments. This habit ensures you're prioritizing your future financial security. Imagine your savings as another bill. As soon as you receive your paycheck, allocate funds to it immediately. This practice helps to build financial resilience and encourages mindful spending on non-essentials. Remember, each time you prioritize saving, you're investing in a more secure and prosperous future. Adopting this simple yet powerful habit is a step towards achieving lasting financial independence. Habit 2. Accumulating bad debt. Accumulating bad debt is alarmingly common in today's credit-friendly world. Many fall into the trap of borrowing for temporary pleasures, leading to financial stress. It's essential to distinguish between good and bad debt. Good debt, such as mortgages or student loans, can represent investments in your future, while bad debt, like credit card debt for frivolous spending, can harm your financial health. To build a stable financial future, focus on minimizing bad debt and concentrate on accumulating assets. By being mindful of the kind of debt you take on, you're laying down a foundation for a more secure financial future. Habit 3. Neglecting multiple income streams. Putting all your financial eggs in one basket by depending solely on a single source of income can be risky. The strategy of diversifying your income, on the other hand, acts as a safety net and a catalyst for wealth building. Think about it: if one source falters, you have others to fall back on. There are various avenues to explore. Side hustles can turn a passion into profit. Investing in stocks or real estate can yield returns over time, and freelancing offers flexibility and additional income. By cultivating multiple income streams, you're not just securing your financial future, but actively creating opportunities to grow your wealth. Each additional stream acts like a stepping stone, leading you towards greater financial stability and independence. Habit 4. Procrastinating on investing. Procrastinating on investing is like leaving money on the table. Starting early is key to maximizing the power of compound interest, allowing your earnings to generate even more earnings over time. Delaying investments means missing out on this growth potential, hindering your journey to financial freedom. Crafting a well-thought-out investment strategy is the starting point. It gives direction to your financial voyage. Diversifying your portfolio across various assets helps in managing risks, while staying informed about market trends aids in making educated decisions. Remember, it's not about perfectly timing every market move, but rather allowing your investments the time to grow and flourish that truly builds wealth. Don't let procrastination keep you from your financial goals. The best time to start investing is now. Habit 5. Ignoring financial education. Ignoring financial education is akin to navigating uncharted waters without a map. Becoming financially literate is essential for making sound decisions and seizing lucrative opportunities. It empowers you to manage your finances effectively, avoid common pitfalls, and optimize your wealth. Dedicate time to enhance your financial knowledge. Delve into books, participate in seminars, and stay updated with trustworthy financial blogs. This knowledge is a valuable asset, guiding you through the complexities of financial planning, investment strategies, and risk management. By prioritizing financial education, you lay a strong foundation for informed decision-making, which is instrumental in steering your journey towards financial prosperity and avoiding the traps that keep many in a cycle of financial struggle. Habit 6. Fearing investment. Fearing investment is a common financial habit that can hold you back from achieving your long-term financial goals. Many individuals avoid investing because they worry about the possibility of losing money. While this fear is understandable, playing it too safe by keeping all your funds in a low-interest savings account is not a viable wealth-building strategy. Investing, when done wisely, can help your money grow over time and outpace inflation. It's essential to educate yourself about various investment options, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. By gaining knowledge and understanding the risks and potential rewards associated with each option, you can make informed decisions. Taking calculated risks is a key part of successful investing. While there are no guarantees, a well-diversified investment portfolio can help mitigate risks and increase your chances of earning a satisfactory return on your investments. Overcoming the fear of investment is a crucial step toward building long-term wealth and achieving financial security. Habit 7. Impulse buying. Impulse buying, or making unplanned purchases, can have a detrimental impact on your financial well-being. These impromptu expenses may accumulate rapidly and divert you from your financial objectives. To combat this habit, it's crucial to differentiate between your needs and wants. Prioritize essential necessities while being mindful of your desires. Practicing delayed gratification can also be beneficial. Rather than making immediate purchases, take time to consider whether the item is genuinely necessary. Delaying non-essential spending allows you to make more thoughtful financial choices, ultimately curbing impulse buying and helping you stay on track with your financial goals. Habit 8. Neglecting emergency savings. Life can throw unexpected challenges at us, and without an emergency fund, even a minor crisis can lead to financial turmoil. That's why it's crucial to make building an emergency fund a top priority. An emergency fund serves as a financial safety net, offering protection when unforeseen events like medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss occur. It provides peace of mind and prevents you from falling into debt or depleting your regular savings when facing unexpected expenses. To avoid financial disaster, start setting aside a portion of your income regularly in a dedicated emergency fund. Aim to accumulate at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to ensure you're prepared for life surprises. So, there you have it, 8 money habits that could be keeping you poor. The good news is that by recognizing these habits and taking proactive steps to change them, you can break free from the cycle of financial struggle. Remember, building a solid financial foundation takes time and discipline, but the rewards are well worth the effort. We hope this video provided you with valuable insights and actionable steps to enhance your financial well-being. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial wisdom. And drop a comment below sharing which habit you're working on breaking. We'd love to hear from you.